This 2021 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 8224BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 27 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 8, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, DVD player, stovetop burner, smoke detector, air conditioning, oven, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 8224BH is 4,480 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.